friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Regina and I'm so happy to see you. I'm also happy because it is wash day and I am ready to bring my curls back. My hair has been flat ironed now for a total of a little bit over a month, and I want to make sure I keep my hair moisturized, put the moisture back in it rather, and just keep it in good shape. If it wasn't for all the dandruff in my hair, I would rock it another week or try to rock it another week. I flat ironed my hair myself this time and it's lasted 2 weeks. So if you're interested in the products that I use to get my hair looking this straight and this good 2 weeks after the fact, I'll be sure to put the video in the description box for you. But that's not why you came. Like I said, I'm ready to bring my curls back, and I'm using a product combo that I probably never would have thought to put together, except it's kind of yucky outside today and I honestly didn't feel like going to buy new products, so I'm using what I have. All right, I am back. I shampooed and conditioned and deep conditioned my hair, so now I'm ready to style. Let me tell you about this combo that I'm using today. It's the Texture ID Curl Enhancing Primer, and I'm going to pair it with the B-Girl Honey Curl Custard. Like I said, this is a combination I never would have even thought to put together, but a lot of times so many products work well together when they're from different brands. I did the hand test to see how these two would work. Let me show you. So I'm putting a little bit of the primer or leave-in conditioner in my hand, and then we're going to do a little bit of the honey curl custard. All right, look, it's perfect. Nothing is beating up. It's not getting dry and pasty. So the mix test worked very well in my hand. The real test will be once my hair dries.
I want to talk to you about these products that I use real quick and just let you know my thoughts on them. So the Texture ID Curls Enhancing Primer, or leave-in. I have to say, this is one of the nicest, sweetest, most gentle scented products that I've ever used on my hair. I like the smell of roses, and this leave-in is made with rose water. So if you don't like the smell of roses, I'd say this might be a product that you want to not gravitate toward. Now, the scent didn't linger on my hair afterwards. So hey, if you want to try it, you like what I'm telling you about the product, consider picking some up and using it. However, again, if you don't like roses, stay away from it. But it's made with marumu butter, rose water, and vitamin E. Those are some of the top 3 ingredients. It's made for curly hair types, and I'm looking on the bottle right now. It has the categories 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the category 3 hair type, it's what's highlighted on the bottle, and I think that's why this works well on my hair, because I'm definitely in the type 3 hair category. As I was using this, I did feel like it was helping me detangle my hair, which is one of the claims. It says it detangles, defines, and preps your curls for styling. Well, of course, it preps my curls for styling. It's a leave-in conditioner, and I feel like working it into my hair helped it, put moisture back into my hair, and my fingers glided through it. It was just really easy to work with, and I feel like this leave-in is similar to that one of As I Am, like the As I Am conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I can use it with anything. It works so well. I call it an all-purpose conditioner, but I feel like it just works so well with anything that I pair it with, and so far the same thing is turning out to be true for the Curls Enhancing Primer. But y'all, it's really creamy. It smells so nice. My fingers didn't get stuck in my hair when I was applying it. It went on really well. And then again, the scent is just so nice. I really recommend this. I wish I could use it just to like moisturize my hair, like what am I trying to say? Just like a weekly or daily moisturizing solution for my hair. But you know, I don't know if that's possible because it is a leave-in conditioner. Now, the B-Girl Honey Curl Custard. This is another one of my favorite products. Like for real. This is the Honey Curl Custard was the second product that I purchased from the DOUX, and I fell in love with it. I've used it several times, but this twist out that I'm doing today, it tops all the others. It honestly tops all the others. And I hate them spoiling, you know, how the video will end, but it is what it is. It has a gentle smell. It's made with honey, but I don't really get a honey scent. I get some type of scent, but it's definitely not honey. And you know, if you're familiar with the DOUX products, it tells you what it do, what's good, and to do you. One thing I will say is definitely apply it to wet, clean hair. And I do feel like this honey curl custard is for wash and goes. And I even think I had someone give me feedback that my hair might have come out kind of crunchy because this is not for twist out, so I shouldn't have been working so hard to twist it. But once again, I used it for a twist out and I'm happy with the results. But yeah, apply to clean wet hair in small sections. It says to rake it through your fingers, to clump your curls. Those are all the directions for a wash and go. But I use it on a flat twist out because that's what I love. And the Honey Curl Custard claims to hydrate, protect, and define even the tightest curls with no crunch or flaky issues. Flaky residue rather. So hear my words, flaky residue. All right. But ladies, I had the best time and this really worked out for me. I love these products.
My twists are dry and I hope I'm not in trouble. I noticed that I have some white debris on a few of my twists. I didn't even look at the ones in the back, so I might have some of this debris on the back too. And I think it's probably from using too much of the curling custard. The curling custard. That's just my guess. And I feel like I'm going to have some flakes. But I'm putting on some Moroccan oil on my hair, just a little bit, not only for these potential flakes, this little situation over here, but also because my hair it's a little on the firm side. I won't really say it's like a gel cast because it just doesn't feel like it. It's a different kind of firmness, a different kind of stronghold. And if you've used the B-Girl Honey Curling Custard, then you know what I mean. And I feel like I must have used more product over on this side because this side is a lot softer. So we shall see. And I'm putting a little bit of oil on the back. And that's my little Moroccan oil. Little, but it was expensive. And I got it from Sephora. It smells so good though. It's the Moroccan oil treatment. And you know, I was looking to see what the treatment was, like how do you use it? What type of treatment do you use it for? How do you use it as a treatment on your hair? It just says apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair and style as usual. That's what everything says. So I don't know if I can use it as a hot oil treatment. Or what? No, that was a long pause. Like I said, I don't know what the back looks like. It may have some residue on it too. I'll find out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take these twists down. And I sat under my dryer for about an hour and a half. My loud hooded dryer. Oh, I see some little particles flying around. I'm not quite sure what that is yet. All right, so far so good. I mean, the definition is really, really nice. And my twists seem to be elongated. And like I said, I did the test in my hand, and the products were great. They didn't fight in the palm of my hand, but I know the real verdict would be when my hair is dry and I take the twists out. I hope the flakes are just flying out. I really don't want to have to wash my hair again in the next few days. My hair is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love, love, love it. I've got flakes though. I should say not flakes, but I've got these little particles flying around. I don't think there's anything on my shoulders or on my top. And I love how elongated my curls are. Now, I don't have the kind of hair that shrinks up anyway, but sometimes it's fluffier than others and frizzier, depending on what products I use. I really like the fact that my hair is hanging. Let me let you see the back. I've done nothing but take the twists out, and I'm not gonna maneuver them too much. I'm just going in with my fingertips or the pads of my fingers, trying to get out some of the parts. Remember that now, I haven't done anything to it. So my first impressions of this combo. That I used, which is the Texture ID Curls Enhancing Primer, along with the B-Girl Honey Curl Custard. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. So stick with me, and I'm going to come back and let you see how it's holding up over the next couple of days. Hey y'all, I just wanted to end this video showing you my day 3 hair. And I'm going to go at least 2 more days with it before I shampoo it again. But I still have lots of body, so much movement. And you know what? I haven't done anything to my hair except put it up at night. And I didn't get a chance to show you how I maintain my hair when it's in a style like this. But I just pull it all up, put a scrunchie on it, a big scrunchie, and then put my bonnet on. That's it. And in the mornings, I take the scrunchie off and I just do this. I shake my hair out, and any little pieces that need to be put in place, I put them in place. Twist outs are the easiest, one of the easiest hairstyles to maintain. And because they're what I do 99% of the time, I just love them. I just absolutely love them. So this combo that I used turned out to be a hit. I have no flakes. Those flakes I thought that I had turned out to be a non-issue. You can't see anything. At least I don't think you can. I cannot. When I shake my hair, I still see little tiny particles come out, but that's it. Nothing ever lands on my shoulders that's visible. So I'm ecstatic. If you have not tried this combo and you have these products at home, give them a try. Put them together and I hope they work for you. 2 totally different brands, so you probably would not likely pair them together, but I'm happy, and I will be using this product combo again. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.